Hello friends, welcome to my channel Novatech Videos, and in this video we will understand what is BitLocker. So basically BitLocker is a feature present in Windows 10 and Ava, Windows 8 and other operating system. So this is a security feature, and with the help of this feature we can encrypt our laptop or desktop drives or the data drives to secure our data. So these are some of the things which we must know before proceeding and go ahead and implement the same in our infra. So let's understand what and all are requirement. So the very first thing you would see, BitLocker drive encryption is available only on Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Enterprise. And second thing, that is the TPM chip, that is trusted platform model, and this is the combination of hardware and software, and which is present in each OEM hardware like laptop and desktop. So for better result, this is required to have a TPM chip installed on the hardware. But as you see this one, you can use BitLocker without a TPM chip by using software-based encryption, but it requires some extra steps for additional authentication. So this can be controlled via GP, group policies. And if you don't have a TPM chip installed, or if you are not sure in the hardware TPM chip is available or not, still you want to encrypt with this, then yes, we have option to do it. And the next requirement is the PC, the computer where you are planning to roll out a BitLocker. That PC must have at least two drives available, one operating system drive, and that drive also has to available. If this is not meeting, then BitLocker by default one by one will create two separate drives for that. And next important thing, that is the NTFS file system. So your drives would be formatted with the NTFS file systems. So these are some parameters which we have to understand all. So now let me give you some more background about the BitLocker. So previously we were using some third-party tools like McAfee and some other popular tools to encrypt the drives. But now Microsoft has built and features in Microsoft itself, Microsoft operating system like Windows 10. So with the help of BitLocker, drive can be encrypted, so that if the hardware is lost, in that case your data will be encrypted, so no one can steal the data. So BitLocker always has a key, and the key can be stored or saved to any safe location, like you can store it to Azure, you can store it to any centralized place, or you can store after integrating to any third-party application like McAfee AV, that has the capability to store all the keys in your infra wherever you have deployed the BitLocker. And the last option, that is the Active Directory. Yes, Active Directory by after configuration some of the settings, so you can manage the keys with the help of Active Directory, because key is the most important factor in BitLocker. And if you forget the password, so your key can help decrypt the data again. And in Windows 10 this is only available in Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 ENT Enterprise. But there are some more features which are available only in Windows 10 Enterprise. If you are planning to roll it out with the help of group policies and you want to store the keys in the Active Directory, so in that case you have to do some additional setting if you have Windows 10 Professional in your environment. Whereas in Windows 10 Enterprise this is pretty much straightforward, and after configuring the group policies you don't need to do anything. But in Windows 10 Pro you have to manually enable the encryption on each and every computer. And the third thing, that is so these are the things you must know before going ahead and rolling it out in your infra BitLocker. In the next video I would help you to understand how we can enable this on individual or with the help of group policies. And that's it in this video, and hope you enjoying the videos. Thanks for watching.